In this video, I'll be going over Unit I, Concept 3, Compound Interests. Alright, our question will be presented right here. Michael has $3,000 to put in a 2-year CD that yields 2% interest. How much money will he have at the end of the term if it is compounded daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and semi-annually or annually? Alright, so we want to look back at this problem and remember our equation, which is A equals P parentheses 1 plus R over N to the N T. Okay, let's make a little thing over here where we have a chart. A, we do not know, that's what we're trying to find out. And P is the next letter in our thing, our formula. So P is the principal amount, and our principal amount was $3,000. And we're trying to find R next. R is the rate, the interest rate to be exact. The interest rate in the equation was 2%, which changes into 0.02% because we can't have a fraction. No, not a fraction. A percent. So we have to turn it into a decimal. And then we have the number of times per year compounded, either daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. And we'll find that out over here. And then we have to have the time, the amount of time. And the amount of time we were given, it was 2 years. So we're gonna have number 2, and we're gonna plug all this information we know to find the current amount of money as well as the number of times per year compounded. Alright, so we have P, which is, for our equation, A equals P parentheses 1 plus R over N to the N T. So it's 3,000 parentheses 1 plus, oh, forgot, main part to put in, 8 equals. Okay, our rate would be 0.02 over N, because we don't know N yet. And then we'll have it to the NT power, so we'll leave N because we do not know N. And our T is 2 years. Okay. After that, we're going to be plugging this equation into our calculator. Our handy dandy calculator. Alright. So we're going to have 3,000. Let's clear that out. 3,000 parentheses 1 plus 0.02 over X. X meaning N. Parentheses to the N parentheses X times 2 power. And we're gonna hit graph. And we wait. Oh, forgot to reset my windows over here. Windows. We're gonna have, since our profit is 2,000, so we're gonna make it, so I'm gonna say X max would be 100. We're gonna go by tens. We're gonna go by, I'm just gonna leave that. I'm gonna go 4,000. I'm gonna go by 100. And I'm going to try that, see if that works out for me. Oh, yep, there we go. Straight line across. That seems that it's not going anywhere, but it's actually moving up and down. So then we're going to hit trace to find our certain points that will be daily, 365. Weekly, 52 weeks, 52. Monthly, 12 months. Quarterly, 4. Semi-annually, and annually. So we're going to plug it into our X values. So we're going to start with 365. X equals 365. Wonder why that's not working. It's 50. Oh, trace 52. So go ahead and trace 52. That would be over here. $3,122.41 dollars. We'll go back and we'll change this to 12, and that'll be over here, that number. So it's $3,122.33 dollars. And we'll go back to our calculator and we'll put in 4, and that'll give us that amount. This time I'll put a fish, 3,122.12, and go put in a 2, and that'll give us that number, 3,121.81, and then we'll go back over here and put in 1 for our X value, and that'll give us that number. And when we see how it has a 0.2, we have to put in 0.20 because it's having to do with money. So it would be 20 cents. 3,121.20. And I don't know why it's not telling us why for 365. Why it's saying invalid, but I guess this equation wasn't meant for that. So, we can check our window, our X max. So we're gonna change it to 400. See if that helps us out. It's loading the graph. I think I got it this time. Okay, let me see. Trace 365. Yes, there's our value, what we were looking for. Seems all I had to do was just change the window. $3,122.43. Alright, and that's it. Thank you for watching.